All right, gentlemen, I'm pretty excited about this new player. Everything we're hearing is that he's right for us. So we need to look at a couple of key elements. First things first, in this game, you need a big boot. The scouting reports are telling us he's got great vision. His vision is all around the park, and most importantly, he's safe, very safe. Now, historically, this club has played with style, and I'm being told this player has lots of style, and that's good for us. Most importantly, gentlemen, this player knows how and when to deliver, and he's comfortable in every environment. There's only one thing left to do. Let's go meet him. You know what, gentlemen? That's exactly what we need. Let's sign him up. The all-new Ford Endura from John Andrew Ford. Comfortable in every environment.